Let's see one of the circuit here. From this circuit here, the 12 volts battery connecting across these 4 ohms, 5 ohms, 6 ohms resistance. Here, find the individual current. Find the individual current following through the given resistance. Here 4 ohms resistance, 5 ohms resistance, 6 ohms resistance. So we should be carrying from here positive to negative. The current passing through this like this. So the current is splitting. This is I. So this is I1, this is I2, and this is I3. So we have to diagram splitting from this one like this. Okay, that means given V is equals to 12 volts, given V is equals to 12 volts, R1 is equals to 4 ohms, R2 is equals to 5 ohms, and R3 is equals to 6 ohms. So we have to find I1, I2 and I3 and I also. So when we got I, then we have to find the I1, I2, I3. If it is we have to go on for I1, I2, I3, then we have to find I. So whatever maybe it is, according to Ohm's law, V is equals to IR, then I is equals to V by R. This is the formula from the we have to find the current. Let's see the given circuit. Four ohms, 5 ohms, 6 ohms. So I1, I2, I3. So this is I, like this, plus and minus. So these three resistance, first we have to calculate only equivalent resistance. So that is the equivalent. What is the equivalent resistance? Or equivalent. Or equivalent is equals to. That means so the resistance of R equivalent can goes to, this is R equivalent. So R equivalent is equals to 1 by R is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. That is equals to 1 by R is equals to 1 by R1 means how much? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6. So 4 into 5 into 6. So this is 5 into 6 plus next 4 into 6 plus next 4 into 5. Therefore 1 by R is equals to, so 5 into 6, 5 6 are 30 plus 4 into 6 24 plus 5 into 4 20 divided by 4 into 5 into 6. So how we can get R is equals to 4 into 5 into 6 by 30 plus 24 plus 20, because of reciprocal. So R is getting to numerator and 4 into 5 into 6 also get into numerator. Therefore R is equals to 4 into 5 into 6 by 30 plus 24 plus 20. That is equals to 4 5s are 20. 26 are how much? 120. 120 divided by 30 plus 24 54, and 54 into 20 54 plus 20 74. So 120 divided by 74. Then how much we can get? 74 of 120. 74 ones 74. What is the remaining? Here 6. And get into 1. So 11 of 7 46. So we can get 0. So 74 5 7 35. 74 6 42 you can get it. So 6 4s are 24. So 6 7s are 42 44. So 6 again you can get split into 6 160. So 74 ones 74 74 2s we can get it. 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. So again here 2 and we can get 12 0 like that. So 1 point approximately 1.62 ohms. So R equivalent is equals to 1.62 ohms. So otherwise we can get 74. So 3 also we can get means 3, that means 74 into 2 148 and again it's 1. So 1.621 ohms. So we can get 1.62. So this is R equivalent. We can find I. I is equals to V by R. So R equivalent means 1 by 1.62. So V is equals to how much? The given V is equals to 12 volts. 12 by 1.62. So how many decimals are here? 2 decimals. So we can get 12 by 162 into 10 to the power of minus 2. You can get 12 into 10 square by 162. 12 into 10 square means how much? 1200 by 162. So 162 of 1200. So how much? See, 160 of 1200. That means 160. How many times can we 1200? Means 160 once means 162. No need to be get. So that's why CHC 160 5 5 2 10 5 6 are 30 5 1s are 5 5 plus 3 18 6 6 6 are 36 9 7 6 are 40. Yes, 7 here. 7 2s are 14. 7 6 are 42 43. 7 1s are 7 plus 4 11. So 4 out of 10 means 6, and should be 9 of 3 means 6, and 12 should be not 0, and again 0.0. So we can get how many times here? 5 times 5 6, that means 8. 4 times 4 2s is 4 times. 4 2s are 8, 4 6 are 32, 4 1s are 4, 728. So approximately we can get 7.39 like that. 7.39. Let's see here, wait, 7 out of 6 4 0, right, correct, yes. So 7.39 like that. We have to use 7.4. So 7.4 amps. So this is the total current. But in the problem, what is given? Find the individual current following through the given resistance. So we have to use this all these things, find the individual current. But without this, we can find the individual current also. See like this. See here, I1, I2, I3, I. So I1 is equals to, we can go according to formula, I is equals to V by R. So I1 is equals to V by R1. That is equals to how much? V how much? 12. 12 divided by 4. So 3 amps. I2 is equals to V by R2. V by R2 means 12 by 5. So 12 by 5 means how much? 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 2.4 amps. Now I3, V by R3. So 12 divided by 6. So that is equals to 2 amps. Therefore, what is I? I is equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. That is equals to 3 plus 2.4 plus 2. That is equals to how much? 3.2, 3 plus 2.4, 5.4. 5.4 plus 2, 7.4 amps. See here. This is individual current I. We can get passing through like this, or is enter the problem. We have to find the like this also. So what make it is? So the given resistance are in parallel. The entire this problem we have to use like this system. Clear? So to find the equivalent resistance means we have to find this equivalent resistance, and find the current means we have to find the current. And find the individual current means we have to find like this individual currents. So what make it is? the resistance are in parallel, we have to find the equivalent resistance and total current and individual currents. So this is the best example for the parallel resistance combination. See one more example. If it is given in the problem series and parallel combination of the circuit. See one of the circuit like this. This is 5 ohms. This is 5 ohms. This is 5 ohms. And this is 5 ohms. So across XY, the resistance here 5 ohms, 5 ohms, 5 ohms, 5 ohms. Find the equivalent resistance for the given problem. Find the equivalent resistance. So how we can find the equivalent resistance? By the parallel and series combination. First of all, we can first be using in series combination, we can get the one resistance. See like this, that implies this is R1, R2, R3, R4. So this is R1. So what is this one? It is R2 plus R3 because of the two resistance are in series. So these series resistance we can get sum. That means R1 to R1 plus R2 like that. R2 plus R3 and this is R4. So that implies 5 ohms. So R1 R2 plus R3 means 5 plus 5 10 ohms and 5 ohms. So across X Y, across XY like this. So 1 by R equivalent is equals to 1 by R equivalent is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. It should be at 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 5. What is the LCM here? 5 comma 10 comma 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos 10, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 is LCM. 10 is LCM. 1 by R equivalent. 5 twos are 10, 2, and 10 ones are 10, 1, 5 twos are 10. Then how much? 1 by R equivalent is equals to 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 by 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So 1 by R equivalent is equals to 1 by 2. Therefore, R equivalent is equals to 2 ohms. Or you understand? If it is given in the series and parallel combination, we can prove first of all where is the series and where is the parallel. We have to find this one. Then we can do it any problem in this process. Okay. Let's see our in following parallel combination the given remembers are there. See here in parallel combination the following point should be remembered in case of parallel resistance. See the first point, the potential difference across each resistance is the same. The current is different in each resistance. The current is different in each resistance. We have find the individual currents like this. The main current is equal to the sum of the currents in different resistance. That means I is equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3, or small I is equals to small I1 plus small I2 plus small I3. Like that we have to use capital I or small I. So the current through any resistor is inversely proportional to the resistance. That means V is proportional to I. So I is inversely proportional to 1 by R. So that's why V is equals to IR. These are the main important thing. We have to use the parallel combination of circuits. Okay. Thank you.